Have you ever gone for days without proper bowel movement? You feel heavy, bloated, tired, and maybe even moody. What if I told you that constipation is not just about being uncomfortable? It could actually be the root cause of many other health problems. That's why many health experts call it the mother of all diseases. Welcome to Age and Flourish, where we talk everything concerning aging and lifestyle. Because you deserve a good life, that is why I bring content to you that will make you to live life to the fullest. Okay, let's go ahead and see more about this constipation. Now, listen attentively. I want to share with you why constipation is dangerous, what it does to your body, and most importantly, how you can fix it. Constipation happens when your digestive system slows down and the weight sits too long in your colon instead of being eliminated. The toxins that would have been eliminated to get reabsorbed into the bloodstream, thereby causing some health problems such as headache, skin rashes, low immune system, and even a high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and so many health issues. They come because of poor elimination. What are the signs that show that you are constipated? Before we go to the signs, now I want us to reason out well. Most people eat 3 meals in a day. So, in a week, it will amount to 21 times that one has eaten. And some people eliminate maybe 3 or 4 times in a week. So, if you have eaten for 21 times in a week, and you eliminate only 3 or 4 times, where are the others? The other food you ate, where are they? That's a very important question. They are there, stagnant in the gut, and that is where constipation comes in. You are constipated if you have less than 2 bowel movements in a day. You are also constipated if your stool is so hard and dried. You are constipated when you strain to be able to eliminate. You are also constipated when you don't feel that you are fully eliminated even after going to the restroom. You are also constipated if you feel bloated. Anytime you feel bloated, it is constipation. The good news is that constipation can be prevented and also can be reversed. So here are 3 powerful things you can start to do today to be able to prevent constipation or reverse constipation if you are already constipated. And that will go a long way to be able to help you in your health journey, especially those of you that have some health challenges. Constipation might be the cause of those health challenges. The first thing I recommend you to do if you are always constipated, and also to prevent constipation is to eat more fiber. Eat more vegetables, fruits, legumes like beans and whole grains. All these food, even nuts and seed, they contain enough fiber that will help your movement, your bowel to move. Remember, fiber is like broom that sweeps the colon clean. So whenever you eat food with enough fiber, it helps to push whatever you have eaten down easily through the digestive tract. I also recommend that you eat a lot of salad. Eat a big bowl of salad every day. That will help you to have enough fiber that will prevent constipation. There are many things, there are many instruments, many equipment, machine you can use that will help you to ease the way you prepare your salad, so that you won't be feeling it is so difficult for you to use knife to be cutting all those vegetables and wasting time. That is why I recommend this machine that comes with different cones that is in different sizes and shapes that will help you to be able to cut your vegetables in a jiffy. The second thing you will do to prevent constipation or to reverse it is drinking enough water. Drink enough water. Water is the lubricant that your digestive system needs to be able to make your stool to move easily. It will prevent you from having very hard stools. For those of you that do not like drinking water, you can make your own fresh juice, fresh vegetable juice, and that will help you to have enough fluid in your body. The third thing, which is also very important that you should start to do to prevent constipation or reverse it, is exercise. Exercise helps to get things moving in your colon. A 20 minutes walk a day will go a long way to help you to be able to have quick and easy elimination. To prevent diseases like colon cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, and some autoimmune diseases, clean your gut. Remember, a clean gut will make you to be healthy, because it is in your gut that your that your immunity is being formed. So your health is in your gut. If your gut is healthy, your whole body will be healthy. I hope you got enough value from this. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Stay healthy, stay regular, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.